She just did, you know. I tell her I said to eat two. You think I'm chatting? They are with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What do them? You think I'm chatting? Bang, bang, boom!
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the brightest, so
You done to say the king. Done.
yes, guys. So from you see by the title, you know what we're gonna do today. The kiss cake challenge. Nick and Sher. See it here?
Yeah. Ready, we're ready.
Ready? We're
Nick, you can manage that one, yeah? The challenge is on.
King always tell me say I'm gonna win me, but make us see now.
Guys, this me make this fair enough. I'm gonna take 3 kiss cake and I'm gonna give her 2.
No,
Yeah.
even.
So I try to show her say.
No, it
Yeah,
have
man.
to be even.
No man, it not be even. I show you say you're not even. I show you say I'm normal.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Alright.
Even it a go, guys.
Yeah, man.
Even
Yeah, man.
3 each.
I get 2, 1.
One, and we have our orange,
And you want chocolate.
chocolate,
Yeah, I'm gonna take chocolate.
yeah,
And strawberry. And an orange.
don't forget strawberry too,
Bridget,
and a strawberry for me too.
Bridget,
Keep
give
it
me a cent.
even,
No,
3. Guys, a 3.
Give me a cent. Give me a cent. Give me a cent.
No.
We want the game fair as possible.
No, I can't manage, no,
Give
I
me a
can't
cent.
manage.
You can't eat that one the off camera.
No, I can't manage. It's a challenge, you know.
Give me a cent. Yeah, we can't eat it in a Bridget. You don't like a dirty style. Yeah.
Guys, how is it that him a go eat 3 and me a go eat 2? How is that fair?
Because it's more than fair because she not good none at all, guys.
Team Ali down in the comment section, make we know say we're strong, win a week.
Guys, as you can see, I have some plate there right here. So.
Yeah, we have a plate to put them on. And this is a no hands eating challenge.
Yo, hands challenge, you see me? A girl alone do no hands eating challenge.
So that means that them not come off of the something then? They must stay up on that?
I want to come off right and go up on the plate.
Then why we are then make it stay up on that then?
See me? Yeah, guys, so have a epic.
This I go bad.
A chattings. Nick. Anytime you're ready for the challenge.
Guys,
Anytime you're ready, Nick.
hey, I say, you don't
Warm,
know
it's just to
say.
warm up. I show you say, the thing now, Lily.
Guys, we have the banger challenge coming for you, guys.
You my lad, you only have strength to share.
You hear him?
Show your walk one over yourself. Share, no worry yourself, I'm going to done him now.
No, sir, guys. You hear how King of one? Shake out all of
All
the
the
crumbs.
crumbs shake out. What is man?
Ready for this. Ban or ban for this Team Ali fam. Team Ali gang. Strong. You see it? I win this spoon, you see me? See there? All of them open.
Chatting sugar.
Yeah, guys. You have to take a thumbnail ready.
See that? Oh, sure.
Them a slide off.
She don't have the style of
Thumbnail.
slide when them a slide. See that? Trouble there.
Alright. So, who first eat off them win. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors.
Guys, we are time this. Who eat them off in 3 minutes?
Time. Wait for them to do the time.
3 minutes. Win. Win.
3
win.
minutes?
Matter of fact, who eat this off in 3 minutes, get 5 grand. I go for the money, guys.
Hey guys, me say, you see if me win and him not give me the money, we are gonna fight. Because you can't tell me say me gonna be competitive, well ready up, and then me not gonna get no money. So, me I win this for the Team Ali gang. Team Ali gang. Ready?
Guys, anybody win this?
So
for
where phone the
5
feet
grand.
timer?
Phone in my pocket. Mama, pass the sanitizer that let me come. I've got sanitizer after this. See it now, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And see that? A 2, 500. Nobody feel like a 1.
Me I go win that. Ready? Sanitize up and we're ready.
Right in the middle of the kiss cake them.
What you going in the middle for?
Alright, put it under the phone there, so.
Yeah, for the timer. Alright,
Put them
guys.
under for me now, please.
Yes, guys, may I set the time?
Alright, guys, the sanitizer up and ready for this. Trouble in our life. Chat.
Hold on. Let me set
So
the
me give her a
time.
chance to take 2.
No, it's a game and it's a go play fair.
That one
Three,
is
three.
different from every other kiss cake challenge. That one is a gamble. She just dead.
Go ahead.
Hurry up and set the timer, man. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Shut up.
Hurry up.
3 minutes, you say?
3 minutes.
3 minutes, guys. And the timer, there here. Ready? You ready?
Start the game.
We are going to start now. Alright, hold on. Ready? And let the games begin. Alright. Time start. Ready? You can't use your hand.
My girl, come on, man. How you take this
You want to
thing
use
for?
your hand?
You're deaf, sir.
Alright, come, ready.
To the beer, boy.
Hold on.
Can't use my hand.
Come, ready.
Matter of fact, I give her a chance. Start eat. Chance me I give her to start eat. Let's say your eye glitch out.
I'll strawberry one this.
Nick, you're just dead. Me I show you how I go to work. Me I give her a chance. Put.
And never me tell you go do it. And never me send you go do it.
Nick, you're just dead. Me I show you how I go to work. Me I give her a chance. Put. Set the thing good pan that over there for me there, guy. You just me get the thing like you want to blow away. Because she take the money put over fair side like she win already. She just
Any
dead.
time I go, you know guys, the time I go.
She just dead.
Hold on.
You see?
I'm going to set up the money good. You see my distract me, you know?
3 minutes. Go on.
Ready?
Go on, man.
Come man and stop going so.
Eat a kiss cake. So she a go on,
Come.
guys. She just dead, you know. I tell her she to eat 2. She think I'm chatting.
True, not true, man, not true. I have to eat up everything off of this. You still not win yet?
She can't drink no water.
Choke, that's a choke, you know? Let the people them see you. Them see you. Greedy dog, choke puppy. Slow and easy. Oh, I look for my bag. You want for water? Knock your back there.
Long help.
Stop it. Get some help.
Knock your back there.
Long help.
So tell you in a team king, weak. Do that again. Ready? Second one.
Yo, stop touching me, man.
He got choke, guys. Help him out, you know. Time ago. You seem to and choke and give me a little more time.
How much time upon the timer?
Don't worry about the time. We just gone 1 minute and add.
Guys, make a bad soul a while ago. I'll do that again. Make sure that one of there just good too. Yo, you hear me say no?
Aye, easy. Now watch me. Eat them again. I remember you have to eat up them there. You have to eat up with the pen and paper.
You have to eat the crumbs coming in here. Guys, and so we get our head start. Guys, we get our head
Final.
start. Well, no, yeah.
Final, Team Ali.
Guys, we don't do like this cake.
Wait, stop telling lie. I treat my lose. Don't watch me. Watch yourself. Don't watch me. Watch yourself. Choke it, man. Choke it. Chocolate camino. Relax, man. Relax, don't stop distract me. What is this?
No, no, no. I like crumbs to eat.
I have them there for eat off.
No, them not.
Then me not eat the crumbs them then. If you not eat them, then me not eat the crumbs them. Clean. 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 Just a little bit left in my plate. Not even got hard. I pop yourself and you do what? Feel. Done. Team Ali in the comment section. You know win. Cause you not eat up them, yeah? You don't win. I win, guys. So. Team Ali, the best team. Still true. And I'm done in a 1 minute and some seconds. We still have 2 minutes and more water, man.
More water. Guys.
Win him.
Yo, I chat too much.
Comment down below.
Guys.
And tell us the challenges you would like us to do.
Guys. So this one. Me get a head start. On this show, I say don't judge a book by the cover of the bag. So I really like this cake style, guys.
Excuse.
Okay. So I really like this cake style, guys.
Excuse.
Guys, I'm just eat.
Stop telling lie. You don't just eat. You don't just eat. If I look for excuse for come up with, but say why I'm not winning.
Guys, I just eat, so I'll share talk. So you know, tell me thanks for giving for make you eat off one first before I start eat three. Then say so I'm going good for you eat.
No.
If I allow you to eat one, all at once.
She says show off, not go nowhere with you. Show off, not carry people go nowhere.
You throw it in a sanitary cup for me, please. Looking at my bag when I keep with my chef things in the black bag. Hang up on the clock down on top.
Show off, not bring it nowhere, guys. So here what? I still I eat 3 more.
Guys, never again. Next time, the challenge, we make sure start the same time. I don't give nobody a head start.
Money, yo! Yes, guys. Tell you no, Team Ali. But I want to thank God for allowing me to come out and do this challenge. I want to thank myself for being confident in knowing that I can win this challenge. And I want to thank all the Team Ali fans who believe I could have won this challenge. So I want to thank y'all. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now, I can go and prepare for my birthday. You see me? I remember, guys, my birthday wish get us to 1K by August the 29th. You feel me? Yes, guys. So drop it down in the comment section and tell us the challenges you want to see us do. So, King I drink water. I still now want to drink no water. But, what you have to say?
Guys, what some man where you're
No,
with
man.
some
We're not give them the third for the day.
Ali, just leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Guys, the third for today is the Olympic is going on right now. Never let anybody tell you that you cannot do it. Be competitive, believe in yourself, and you can do this. So, put God first in everything. You don't know that most of all. So, yeah, me I go drink some of my water. So, mash up. Yeah, mash up. And look how him did that boss, boy. He want give me tongues. Look how him did that same one give me 2 and him eat 4. Suppose I did eat the 4.
Sorry, guys.
Prepare for this.
Guys,
stop telling lie. You never eat. Guys, tell Kiss Cake except for come over here so watch the challenge here and make us ambassadors. You understand? So yes, guys.
Guys, you see, we have 2 more epic challenges come out, man. And this was just the first
Team
one.
Ali, if you don't see by now, say Team Ali are the best team, on waste time.
She can't win the next challenge, guys. Remember me telling you that.
Alright then, so we're gonna just leave with a bang.
Until next time, bang, bang, boom.
We're out.